Hey guys, how's it going? So, I decided that I'm going to paint my Ikea furniture white because I'm just not happy with what. I feel like it makes my room really dark. So, I want to lighten it up, and all of my other Ikea stuff is white at the moment. So, I'm just going to film doing this. I watched a couple YouTube videos to kind of figure it out. It didn't look that hard, so we'll see if it's actually not that hard. So the videos that I watched, I didn't have to sand or anything like that. This one's one of the nightstands, or like a small table from Ikea. I know my other like my dresser and like my bed frame isn't as smooth of a surface as this. So I'm going to paint this first and see how it goes. And then if it goes well with the paint that I bought that was recommended, then I'm going to paint everything else in my room. So, but this is like the first thing to do to kind of see if it works. So the paint that I bought was called the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch. This is the Ultra Cover. This is a latex paint. This is a semi-gloss in white. I didn't want to do something super glossy because I look around and I don't feel like any of my furniture really has that much of a gloss to it. But I didn't want matte either because matte gets can get scuffs and things like that. So that was the paint I'm using. I got this roller. This is a high density foam roller, and it's for smooth surfaces. And it says like doors and cabinets, and so I thought this would be really good. Another girl on YouTube was using a microfiber, but they were a little bit more expensive, and I thought that like because it was like more textured, I feel like it wouldn't be as smooth. I don't know. And then I decided to just get a small little paint holder. Rob's not here to help me, so we're just gonna wing it.